Hello students, how are you? Myself Deepak Zade. Today in this lecture we'll solve problem of parallel force system. See, slightly different type of problem is given. Single force is represented. Normally क्या होता है, most of the forces are given, find out resultant and point of application. अभी क्या है, single force है. What is asking problem? Resolve the force F equal to 900 Newton acting at B into parallel components at O and A. Means you have to split up this force, right, at O and A. Such type of one problem we are done. First resultant we are done, resultant calculated, and then you have to split up in two components B and A. ऐसा एक problem किया था, right? Couple and force at O. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट करते पहले. फर्स्ट पार्ट है ना, पैरेलल कंपोनेंट्स एट ओ एंड ए इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट. तो दिस इज गिवन फोर्स. आई विल ड्रॉ वन मोर डायग्राम. कि पॉइंट इज व्हाट बी, दिस पॉइंट इज व्हाट ए, दिस पॉइंट इज व्हाट ओ. दिस सिंगल फोर्स विल रिप्लेस बाय पैरेलल कंपोनेंट्स एट ओ एंड ए. मीन्स components vertical. In which direction we don't know. What we'll do? We'll assume force at O will assume in upper direction. Here also will assume in upper direction. Assume direction may be correct, may be wrong. Say this is what FA, this is what FO. Distance is same. This is 1 meter and next is what 2 meter. These are two parallel components. Means can you say resultant of these two is this 900 downward, right? And then we'll apply Varignon's theorem. Method is same. Should not get confused, right? First equation is what we're solving, case A. R equal to summation of Fy, assuming vertically upward force is positive. Now on left side what will get resultant, means these two are forces, this is a resultant. Resultant का direction downward है. Means 900 with minus sign, and on the right side we'll add forces to this one. What will get? FO plus FA. Equation number 1. Next equation क्या रहता है? Varignon's theorem of moments. Varignon's theorem of moment is what? Sum of moment of all forces about any point taking anti-clockwise moment positive equal to moment of resultant about same point taking anti-clockwise moment positive. I mean, which point will select as a moment center? See, moment of this given force means resultant, and moment of two forces must be same. So you can select point O or A as a moment center, so that in sum of moments you will get only one unknown. ऐसा O point moment center लिया तो FO का moment 0, तो will get what? FA. Or if you take A as moment center, the moment of FA becomes 0, we will find out what? FO. So say point O will take as a moment center. What is the moment of all forces? Sum. Moment of FO 0. Why moment of FO 0? Line of action of force passes through point O. Moment of FA about O is anti-clockwise. ऐसा है ना, ये point O force कैसा है? Upward. How it rotates? Anti-clockwise. मीन्स सम ऑफ मोमेंट आएगा प्लस एफ ए इंटू 1 इक्वल टू मोमेंट ऑफ रिजल्टेंट अबाउट पॉइंट 2 इज क्लॉकवाइज. मीन्स व्हाट? माइनस 900 व्हाट डिस्टेंस 3. मीन्स एफ ए कम्स आउट टू बी माइनस 2700 न्यूटन. नेगेटिव आंसर रिप्रेजेंट्स व्हाट? assumed direction is wrong. What is the assumption of FA? Upward है ना, means this force must be what? Downward. Negative sign means assumed direction is wrong. Now this FA will substitute in equation number 1. If we substitute, what will get? Minus 900 equal to FO unknown plus FA is what? Negative 2700. मीन्स FO comes out to be 2700 प्लस हो जाएगा. माइनस 900 मीन्स व्हाट? प्लस आंसर विल गेट, राइट? 1800 न्यूटन प्लस आंसर मीन्स व्हाट? अज्यूम डायरेक्शन इज करेक्ट. क्या है अज्यूम डायरेक्शन ऑफ FO? अपवर्ड. तो दिस वन इज FO. मीन्स these are the two components. FO is 1800 F is what minus 2700. देखो ना इनका रिजल्टेंट माइनस आएगा ना, ये 1800, ये माइनस 2700 मीन्स व्हाट माइनस 900. नेक्स्ट जो है कपल एंड फोर्स एट O, एक वीडियो में कंप्लीट एक्सप्लेन किया है मैंने, राइट, कि हाउ विल रिजॉल्व फोर्स इनटू फोर्स एंड कपल. आई विल रिपीट जस्ट, राइट, कि if this one is a given rod and if you want to replace force by a force and couple, force component जो रहता है, say this one here you want to resolve, means this point is called as new point of application. So here force component remains same as that of original force as it is. Okay, this force is what 900. This is force component, right? Whenever we will resolve force into force and couple, force component remains same as that of original force, but at new point of application. And couple component is what? Moment of original force about new point of application. What is the moment of 900 about O? Clockwise. Means I will represent what? Clockwise. This is what? Couple. What is the magnitude of couple? 900 into what? About point O you are taking, means C is what? 2700 Newton meter. Direction already we are represented, right? What is the direction of movement of 900 about O? Clockwise hai. Therefore this couple is what? Clockwise. Okay, clockwise couple, right? This is what? Clockwise. Clear? Both the parts were covered. Okay, bye bye, thank you, see you again.